Princess House has amazing rewards in period 6. Contact your organizer via video chat using WhatsApp, Zoom, Facebook Messenger, or FaceTime to unpack the products in your starter kit and start creating a plan so you can earn the following rewards. When you sign up as a new consultant and in period 6 have personal sales totaling $750 as your first active period, Princess House will reward you with a $125 shopping spree. And when you sign up as a new consultant and in period 6 have personal sales totaling $1,500 as your first active period, Princess House will reward you with this 2-piece pH Cook Solution stackable set valued at $289.90. Additionally, because we want you to earn more in your first 2 active periods when you sign up a friend to join as a new consultant that generates $750 in personal sales, Princess House will reward you with this electric kettle valued at $199.95. So contact the person who sent you this video and start earning now.